As the COVID situation worsens, we have reached out multiple times and been denied interviews with some of our area's top health leaders. Working for you, WRTV's Nikki DeMentri is breaking through the silence, finding out what we can expect from here and how one health department is responding to the surge.
IU Health says it's seeing a record number of COVID-19 inpatients. Right now, they're seeing 518 patients with COVID-19 throughout the state. As of last week, the National Guard was called in to help at several of their hospitals, including here at Methodist.
Now, almost more than any other time, we need to be cautious and we need to take precautions. Even if we think we are going to be okay, I don't think our hospital system will be.
Economist POLLAK tracks COVID-19 trends in Indiana.
When there's more concern about a new variant, you not only see more testing being done, but you also see more vaccinations being done.
Here's a look from Friday afternoon at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway's state-run testing and vaccine site. POLLAK says cases are up statewide more than 150% since November.
If a bunch of people are just suddenly getting tested that weren't before, you would expect that positivity rate to drop because you have a lot of people that are more concerned than they were before. Instead, what we're seeing is record high positivity rates.
Cases are bad, but POLLAK says aren't at record levels. Hospitalizations, though, he says, are a concern. When it comes to ICU beds, about 355 are available across the state, but in District 5, where the majority of hospitals are concentrated, there are 64 beds available.
This time around, I think we're paying a lot more attention to the fact that, a bed is just a bed without the staff to support it. You need doctors and nurses and other equipment and other specialists.
Marion County is included in District 5.
We are seeing hospitals at capacity. COVID numbers are rising. We're starting to see influenza as well.
MCMASTERS is with the Marion County Health Department.
I don't think that the move is to move back towards mandates.
Instead, McMaster says families need to assess the risk level they're willing to take when deciding on attending gatherings and events. This comes as the county is set to welcome thousands of people for events like the Crossroads Classic on Saturday and National College Football Championship next month.
Should we be having these events with that many people?
I think across the country, we're still seeing that those events happening. And Dr. Kane, of course, our medical officer, has been meeting with all of those different entities to give advice.
Interview requests the past 2 days with state health leaders Dr. Christina Box and Dr. Lindsay Weaver were denied. We will continue pushing for interviews with the state health department.
So even if you're indifferent about COVID and you think your risk of COVID is very low and you've been fully vaccinated, you need to pay attention to what's going on in the hospitals because those hospital resources we always kind of count on being there if we need them may not be there right now or may have really long delays.
Working for you, Nikki DeMentri, WRTV.
In an email statement, IU Health says they are not able to accommodate interviews due to the strain on staff with rising COVID-19 numbers. The spokesperson noted IU has added ICU beds. The message from MCMASTERS and POLLAK is the same: get vaccinated, get boosted, and wear a mask regardless of vaccination status. So how do you sign up for a COVID shot? You can make an appointment through the website, ourshot.in.gov, or by dialing 211. To find a COVID testing site, you can go to the website, coronavirus.in.gov. There is a link to find a testing location near you at the top of the front page.